Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But salvage car purchases come with significant risks, including these. Low insurance value. If you buy a salvage title car and it's in an accident, the insurance company likely won't be paying out big money to cover the damage, given the salvage title car's low financial value in the first place. 21 March 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
There are many drawbacks to buying a salvage title car. The biggest is that you might not know the extent of the damage that caused it to be declared a total loss. Fraud. Many people selling salvage title cars claim the damage was minor and cosmetic, but it can be hard to know who's telling the truth. 14 February 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You may have trouble selling your rebuilt car. Owners of cars with rebuilt titles need to maintain them carefully. Because these types of vehicles can be problematic, they're often difficult to resell. And if you do end up selling yours, chances are you won't make much of a profit. 23 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If the vehicle is totaled, again, the insurance company will pay out, but usually at 1/2 the value of the car due to the salvage title. But now for the loophole. You will only get a payout for a totaled vehicle one time. If you buy the car repaired from someone and it is wrecked, then you will get a payout. 28 October 2010.
Take our lead.
You'll turn in your old salvage certificate for a new California title. The new title will be identical to a non-salvage vehicle title, except it will indicate the vehicle has been revived from salvage.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.